Hi everyone, it's Rachel and I've kindly been gifted a wig from UniWigs. This is their Palermo wig, which is part of their 2024 collection. I've had it a couple of weeks now, I've not even got it out of the bag. So this is their Palermo wig, which is in Twilight Bronze. Not sure if you can see the colour on there, which is a dark and medium blonde with light blonde highlights in it. There's more highlights at the front. Don't think it's going to focus with my face there. So let's start with the cap. So it is 13 by 4 inch lace front. Let me see that. It has got clips in there, so if you've got hair and you want more secureness, it's got the clips. Alright, they're like those little ones. And the little comb clip there. And at the back you've obviously got the adjusters there. It's got a nice bit of stretch in there. I can see it's obviously the wefts side and back, but all covered, so nice and soft and comfortable. The lace front goes from the ear tab to ear tab. It's got massive lace front on it, so I have to cut that off. This is what I would consider a budget wig, because for the price it's around about $130, slightly under, and obviously with discount codes will come in less. Looking at the parting there, it's obviously quite short to what I'm used to. It's got layers, so it will frame your face nicely. It is also heat friendly, up to 140 degrees Celsius or 280 Fahrenheit. So if you like to obviously style your wigs, this is great for that. So I suppose I better try it on. This is it straight on. As you can see, it's got quite a long lace front. I will cut that, just so you can see how it arrives. It is approximately 18 inches. It's a bit shorter than what I'm used to. I know I had a short one on to start with, but I usually wear it a bit longer. The density is 130%, so it's a bit thinner than my other wigs because I can feel the cap through it more, but obviously it gives a more natural look because I never really had hugely thick hair when I had hair. Let me do a bit of a... We'll see the movement. Yeah, it sort of comes in. So I think what I'm going to do, let me see if you can see this lace front before I cut it. The cap size is 21.75 inches. I've got it on quite a tight, I've pulled the little adjusters quite tight, but I think I've got a slightly more petite sized head because there's a little bit of excess at the back. I don't know if it's the shape of my head, maybe at the back. Yeah, so. Right, I'm going to cut this lace front off and see how it looks. So now that I've cut the lace, going back to the cap, I've sort of cut it a little bit zigzaggy. I've left a little bit extra so that if I want to go in and cut it again. Cutting the lace is my least favourite part of doing a wig, but it's sort of on the neck bit, there's a little bit of lace there, so it's a bit soft. There is also another comb there at the neck. The adjusters are a little hook and little loop bit there. What I thought was adjustable ear tab things isn't. It's actually that comb, the little flexi comb that's in there. So they're sort of curved in a little bit to where the ear tabs are. But yeah, overall the colour is beautiful. It's got quite a dark root on it. This is how it looks with the lace cut. It's a bit darker than I'm used to seeing on me. Right, let's see. I probably could cut more of the lace, but just enough to see. How it looks. Yeah, I like these pre-cut layers. They come in nice, it sits lovely. And those highlights really show very. It's super soft. If you can see the parting on there. It's got a little bit of a shine to it. I probably would add some dry shampoo to that. I'm not kind of used to that shine, but I don't know if it's because it's obviously quite dark as well. I'm not used to it being that dark. So I will pop a link and a code in the caption below for you to check it out. Yeah, if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments and I will try to answer them as best as I can. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.